Okay, so we have another problem where we are asked to graph finding the slope and y-intercept. And so first of all, we find the slope. The slope is, as we've seen earlier, if it's in slope-intercept form, that is, if we get y on the left side of the equation and the x term and the b term in the right-hand side of the equation, then what we've got is the slope equal to the coefficient of x. So in this case, the coefficient of x is -2, and that is in fact then what the slope is. We're then asked to graph it. Well, we know the y-intercept is -7. So we can go down to -7. That is going to be, here's -4, here's -8. -7 is halfway between these two. And that's where we'll graph, and hopefully it lets us graph that accurately. Okay, and then we've got a slope of -2. That means we've either got to go down 2 and over 1, or we've got to go back 2 and back 1. Excuse me, up 2 and back 1. Okay, in other words, the rise divided by run must be negative. So if we go up, the rise is positive. If we go back, the run, the change in x, is negative. If we go down, it's the rise that becomes negative, and forward, the run is positive. So we need to go down 2 units and over 1 unit. Okay, and there's my second point. Okay, and we check and see, yeah, it's going downhill from left to right. It's going fairly steeply downhill, and that's consistent with what we'd expect with a slope of -2. So let's see if we can check our answer. Well done. Okay, so that's problem number 2.